Hey there, card game lovers. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Go Fish in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need a standard deck of cards. The goal of Go Fish is to collect as many sets of 4 matching cards as possible. To start, each player is dealt 5 cards if there are 4 or more players, or 7 cards if there are fewer. The rest of the deck goes face down in the center. On your turn, ask another player for a specific rank of cards, like, "Do you have any 7s?" But here's the catch. You can only ask for a rank you already have in your hand. For example, if you have 2 7s, you can ask for the 7s. If the player has the card, they give it to you, and you get another turn. But if they don't, they say "Go Fish," and you draw a card from the deck. The game continues until all sets of 4 are collected. The player with the most sets of 4 at the end wins the game. And that's Go Fish in under 2 minutes. Simple, fun, and perfect for all ages. Let us know how you play in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game tips.